A prolonged period of wet and windy conditions will impact southern Australia this week as a series of powerful cold fronts sweep across the country. On Monday, severe weather conditions for Western Australia, but over the coming days, that will extend into the southeast of the country and potentially last until the weekend. Having a look first at the satellite, we can see that into Monday morning, a cold front approaching the southwest WA coast. We've already seen wind gusts of above 90 km an hour and squally showers for the Perth Metro this morning. But looking behind the cold front, you see a very large mass of cold and unstable air over the Southern Ocean. And it's this entire complex that will shift northwards and bring those wet and windy conditions to the rest of Southern Australia. And as that cold front is already moving across Western Australia, a number of severe weather warnings have been issued. First for WA, damaging winds above 90 km an hour, which do have the potential to cause damage to homes, property and vegetation. And heavy rainfall about the coast and adjacent inland areas, which could cause flash flooding. A warning is also current for the coastline from Geraldton to Albany for damaging surf with significant wave heights above 7 metres, which could cause coastal erosion. And for South Australia, we'll see those damaging winds increase during Tuesday morning. Having a look first at those waves, we can see that into Monday night and Tuesday, large waves above 6 metres off the southwest WA coast. On Wednesday, those could extend across parts of the Albany coast, potentially reaching in excess of 10 metres. And into Thursday and Friday, we do see those waves abate slightly, and at this stage, we aren't expecting damaging surf conditions across the rest of the southern coastline. For the rest of Monday, we'll see that cold front push through WA with showers and very strong winds ahead of, particularly behind the front itself. Into Tuesday, we'll see those very strong winds and showers push across central South Australia, including Adelaide, and squally showers and winds continuing to the west. By Tuesday evening, those showers will push across Western Victoria, and a second system comes across southwest WA, bringing another burst of showers and strong winds there. Into Wednesday, that cold front slips across parts of Tasmania, but showers continuing across parts of Victoria and now into southern New South Wales and remaining quite windy across the region. On Thursday, that second cold front comes through and we'll see showers push into parts of inland New South Wales and southern Queensland. And for northeast Victoria and southeast New South Wales, we are expecting some heavy falls on Wednesday and Thursday. But because the air behind the front isn't particularly cold, a lot of the precipitation will fall as rain rather than snow. And this may cause some of that good snow cover over the alpine resorts to melt. We do see conditions ease on Friday, but still remaining quite windy and showery right along the southern coastline, with showers extending up the east coast. In terms of total forecast rainfall, we are expecting moderate to locally heavy falls, pushing across in Western Australia, South Australia, and really focusing across northeast Victoria and southeast New South Wales on Wednesday and Thursday, while some areas could exceed 100 to potentially 200 millimetres. We will be issuing a flood watch for these areas, including parts of northern Tasmania, so be sure you have the latest information. So if you're across southern Australia this week, it could get very wet and quite windy as well. Make sure you have the latest forecasts and warnings from the Bureau's website or the app, and please stay safe.